The magic of Room 203. In the heart of Maplewood High, Room 203 was known for its peculiar atmosphere. Unlike other classrooms, it was filled with colorful posters, strange artifacts, and a bookshelf overflowing with books of every genre. The students often whispered about Mr. Thompson, the eccentric teacher who transformed English lessons into adventures. One rainy afternoon, a group of friends, Emma, Jake, and Mia, entered Room 203 for their literature class. They were excited but nervous. Today, Mr. Thompson had promised something special. As they settled into their seats, he walked in with a mysterious box. "Today, we will explore the world of storytelling," he announced, placing the box on his desk. "Inside are objects that will inspire your creative minds." Curiosity sparked. The students leaned forward. One by one, Mr. Thompson revealed the contents: an old compass, a feather, a broken clock, and a small globe. Choose one item and write a short story inspired by it. You have 1 hour. Emma picked the compass, imagining a lost traveler searching for home. Jake chose the feather, weaving a tale of a bird that could grant wishes. Mia was captivated by the broken clock, envisioning a world where time stood still. As the hour passed, laughter and excitement filled the room. The students shared their stories, each one unique and captivating. Mr. Thompson smiled, knowing he had sparked their creativity. At the end of the class, Emma, Jake, and Mia realized that Room 203 was not just a classroom. It was a place where imagination thrived and friendships blossomed. They left that day, inspired to tell their stories and eager for the next adventure.